everyone, and welcome to this week's video. So in this week's video, it's my last Christmas video, which makes me super sad because you know me, I love Christmas. So I'm sitting next to my Christmas tree for this opening since my art room has become a total mess since I've been working on the nursery lately. So I still want a festive background, so I'm actually doing this intro in my living room. And I just filmed an awesome hairstyles video for you guys coming up in a new year, so stay tuned for that. But in this video, I am going to teach you how to set up and achieve an amazing Christmas spa movie night. So my idea when creating this was you could invite your friends over, you could have your sister over, you could basically have a mix between a spa night and a movie night. So you would get all of your spa materials ready, have a spa night, then you get all your favorite movies and treats ready, and then you'd have your movie night. But I decided to slam them together for this video. So I put a lot of work and effort in this video. Like it if you did, and let's get on into it. So the first thing I do to prepare for my spa night later tonight is making some shower jellies. And I've taught you guys how to make these before on my channel, but I'm not sure I gave you guys the right measurements. I said I put them in a down bar, but I'm just going to tell you here. You put 2/3 water in your pan, and then you add the gelatin to the cold water. And I added 2 packs. Then you let it boil a little, and then once it's boiling, you add a 1/2 cup of liquid soap or shower gel or anything like that. And then I put it into a mason jar so it was easier to handle and not quite as hot, and I put it into my silicone molds. You can get a bunch of different silicone molds for Christmas time at Michael's craft store. Next, I'm going to show you all of the products that I use during my spa night. So I am using the tea tree oil by Organics. I can't wait to get hold of the mistletoe one. I think it will smell amazing. I'm using a pistachio body wash from Ulta. And then when I get out, for my hair, I am using It's a 10. And that just keeps my hair looking great. And then for my face, I started off with a makeup wipe and then a charcoal nose mask. You can use any kind of face mask. Use any products that you want. And then I'm finishing washing my face with Olay and adding my Olay moisturizer. So now I'm going to show you my routine. My routine changes all the time, but for this Christmas one, I just wanted to use a lot of Christmas-based products, things that smell really Christmassy. But first I start by getting my hair undone and putting the water into the tub and brushing my hair. If I have a shower, then I'll start the shower up and get it ready. And then I'm also going to be using the shower jelly, which we made earlier. When I get out, I immediately use It's a 10 spray, which keeps my hair looking really good. And then I go in with a makeup wipe just to clear any dirt off my face before adding my mask. And this time I really needed to do a charcoal mask on my nose because I had an infection on my face, kind of near my eye, and my face kind of dried out a bunch. And so I wanted to do this mask on my nose just to help get the dirt off of my nose. And then I'm going to finish with washing my whole face with a really good face scrub by Olay. I'm not sponsored by any of these products. This really is what I use. Then I finish off with my moisturizer. This is a travel size that I got, but I really want to get a full size soon. It is awesome and smells amazing. So I'm sharing with you guys my favorite chocolate chip recipe. I like this recipe because you could throw marshmallows in it, you could throw M&Ms in it. It's so versatile. You can make them any way you want. Now on to my favorite Christmas movies. I like The Grinch. I like Lampoon's Vacation. I like The Santa Claus. And then I also like It's a Wonderful Life and Elf. So now it's time to set up the Christmas spa movie night and actually do it. So now I am just setting it up. I put some pillows, I got dressed up, I got my cookies out, I turned on my favorite movies, got my favorite blanket, and then I also like to paint my nails, but since I'm pregnant, I have to do this like outside. So I will finish by going outside and painting them. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. I spent a lot of time on it. I really hope you guys liked it. If you have any other suggestions of videos for the new year, let me know down below because I'm planning them out right now. And I will see you guys in the next video soon. And
I haven't said it already, Merry Christmas to everyone and Happy Holidays to everyone.
And I hope that the start of the new year is amazing. So I will see you in the next video soon. Bye!